Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video is sponsored by Hotlogic. Hotlogic is a really great company that has given me the opportunity to send me this great little Hotlogic oven. So basically what this is, and I'm going to unbox it because I have it right here for you, but let's just go ahead and talk about this product. It is made in the United States. It is a fully automatic cooking appliance, which is like a conduction oven. And so it's also made in an insulated tote for easy portability of like taking it with you. So some of these are like a slow cook foods that is going to make your food taste like perfection, and it's going to give it like a better taste. It's going to give it better texture, nutrition, and convenience. So the hot plate style heating device is designed to heat food and even cook your food if you needed to without overcooking it, without burning it, or without drying it out. So it's simply amazing. Once I plug this in, it's going to take my food from cold or frozen to the option of eating it with the temperature being like 165 degrees Fahrenheit in just about 2 hours. So it'll hold the temperature stable for like 12 hours or so your food is ready whenever you are. So with me going to lunch every day at 11:15, at least I know like when we come in from recess, I can just go in and turn it on and have my food starting to heat up and get ready. So that is a plus. Let's go ahead and unbox it here. Okay, so what I have here is a Hotlogic mini oven. This is in the color purple. So what I want to say is I will have a code along with the link down in my description box down below so that you all can order one of these for yourself. I think that this is honestly really great because I definitely am tired of using microwaves at work. I'm also tired of trying to think of things that I can meal prep that are gonna be hot for me to reheat back up and eat at work. So inside is the purple mini oven by Hotlogic here. So if I take it out of the packaging, it's literally the size of like a lunchbox. It comes with a carrier where I can hold it right here. It also has the zipper part right here. And look at that. On the inside, there are some great items that come with it. So here's the inside. It comes with Tupperware, so a top and the actual container. And then it also comes with some instructions, so like tasty tips and recipes, and it's a quick start guide in here that's just going to talk about you know, like how it works, which is you're gonna put food in the Hotlogic, zip it up and plug it in, unzip, enjoy, holds temperature for up to 12 hours. It tells you like what kind of containers are gonna help when using this product right here. And then there's also your cooking tips over here, so that'd be really great and like known to fit. Some things that are going to fit in here: lean cuisines, Stouffer's, Michelinis, Weight Watchers. Yeah. So some cooking tips that they give you is for meat, vegetables, pasta, one pot meals and soup, sandwiches, and pizza. So that's a great thing. They also give you the care and cleaning on how to do that. And that's just to unplug it, allow it to get to room temperature, so let it cool off, and then just using a damp cloth or paper towel and a mild cleanser to clean the surface and just spray it into the cloth and then wipe it down, and then just never submerge it in hot water. And then they have a couple different recipes that they share here, which is really great because these are some quick and easy recipes at that. And then it just gives it to you in Spanish. At the bottom of this is the actual heater. So that's the part right here that you guys are seeing. You're going to place your food in here just like this with the top on, and you're going to close it and plug it up. And like I said, let this heat up for about 2 hours. It's going to keep your food nice and warm for up to at least 12 hours. So if you decide that you're not hungry at the time that you go to lunch and you want to eat it later, you're not hungry or whatever, there you go. So I'm really glad that they sent me this product. Thank you so much to Hotlogic for sending over this product. I cannot wait to put this to good use as far as cooking something in it, and I hopefully can put a clip in the end of this video to show you all how this exactly works. So I'm really thankful. The color is purple. Like I said, we can zip it up. It's just like a lunchbox. So if there's anything else that you want to take in here, I think it would be great if you could fit it in here, because you have your container, but you also want to make sure that it zips. So thank you so much once again to Hotlogic. Guys, the code will be in my description box down below, as well as the link so that you all can go over and get whichever one it is you would like. For the Hotlogic mini oven, they have plenty of colors that you guys see here. They also have the Hotlogic Mini Oven XP, which looks like it has like a little more room. And then they have the Hotlogic Max Oven, which kind of looks like it's good for like some casserole dishes and stuff. And then they have some accessories to go with it. And then they actually have the actual HeatDeck Pro break room oven. That'd be cool, especially if like people want to have their stuff getting heat up. So like I said, everything will be in my description box down below. Thank you once again to Hotlogic for sending me this and sponsoring me in this video. I cannot wait to share this with you all. So here it is, and I hope that you all give this video a huge thumbs up, and also check that link in my description box down below. Okay, y'all, so the Hotlogic, it works great. My lunch is heating up for when I come back. It's been 2 hours and I'm ready to eat.